Hi everyone. Let us look at images. So when we write image, we can select the URL and we can essentially put that image in our Google spreadsheet. But first we need an image. So let me quickly search for Google and let's search for logo. And what we want to do here is to right click and then copy the image address. Once we have done that, we can say image, paste the URL, and as you can see, the image comes inside the cell. Let me just increase the size like this. Then you have some further arguments, so I can choose the height and the width as well. So we can say 4 as the mode, and then 50 and 100, and we get the image like this, which is slightly larger now. Of course, my original image is not very high resolution. That is why it is not coming very clearly, but that's how you modify it, right? So you can control all these in the formula itself. We can also go through the documentation to see how the different modes work. So 1 will resize, 2 will stretch, 3 will leave it at the original size, and 4 will allow a customized size. Let's take an example. So I'll copy the URL and let's once again put image and paste the URL. And you can see that we get Google's old logo coming here. And you can see that there is a size to this, but it keeps on expanding as well because that's the original size. But I can also say comma 4, and then let's say the height is 100 and the width is 100 as well. And this means that you can control how the image will look. Now obviously the height and the width will have to be customized to make sure that maybe the width is a little more. So I'll keep the width at 200 and let's reduce this to 50 and let's reduce this to 150, and I think that looks about right. This means that the image will not expand when the cell is also expanding, and the image can be controlled to a specific height and width.